Hey guys, come on, get out of here. Ugh. Go! Star throw. Playing Happy Wheels. Oh, no. Okay. You go. Oh. Am I gonna get double kill? Oh, yeah! Get out of here. Wait a second. I gotta pause this. A second. I gotta put on the volume. Okay. Let's go. Oops, I clicked restart. Well, doesn't matter. La to JB. Yeah. Fatality. Oh, come on. And. Oh, that was almost. And nailed it. And the last one's gonna be for. Oops, I just messed up. For nobody. Okay. Pro. I'm not a noob. Oh, I'm gonna get all 14. Should I get all 14? Yeah, all 14 should I? Yeah, well, okay. I'm stuck. No. Come on, I'm stuck. I have an idea. Let go. Hold it back again. Oh, great. I broke it. No, I'm not getting all 14. Okay, whatever I get is the best. And no, I almost got my head stuck. Whoa. That happens a lot. I hate that. Oh. No, come on. No. Yeah. No. I'm gonna hold. I'm going to hold. No. Yeah. I touched my face first. Yeah. So Jacksepticeye. Oh, I love him. He's so awesome. And PewDiePie. Let's do some rope swings, shall we? Rope swing. Ugh. Sorry about that. King. What? Let's do it. Come on. Oh my god. How do you do this? Okay. Gotta be creative on this. You have to know how to get out. Oh, I made it. And I died, right? Okay. I understand why it's king. Because, yeah, you have to find a way to get out first. So. Oh, yeah. Come on. What's next? Oh, what? That's not fair. It's hard level. Let's change. Let's play. Son of a bitch. Come on, bitch. Okay. Yeah, talk to all the bitches. Oh, yeah. Boom. Oh, no. My head first is always the bad one. I think it's gonna take out my hair. I think. I think I need to grab it. Shit. Oh my god. Ah! Okay, I grabbed on this, guys. Yeah. And I land on my head and I break it. Oh, I did. Okay. What is this? Some clock? What is this? Come on. Hiya. Let's go. What? Okay. I don't understand. I don't think like when they make this. Like, no offense, whoever made it. Come on. Yeah, like a shit. Let's go. Oh, what? It's blurry. Oh, what? Oh. Help. What? You can say that? I didn't know that. Like, I know they talk, but you can say that? What? Help. Bam. How do you do this? It's so hard. Like, they're so strict. How can you do it without breaking your hands? What kind of... What? Gonna try one more time, bros. I wish I was PewDiePie. He's so awesome. Go Peter Pan is awesome. Peter Pan is awesome. Oh, come on! Great, breaking my head and my hand. That's the best. Good. Okay, we're gonna do one more, and that's it. With this guy, and this time we'll make it, yeah? No! Ah! Okay, that works too. What are we doing here? What are we doing here? Oh, shit. Oh! Oh, victory! Oh! La 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 la. Ugh. Come on. I'm holding on. I'm not letting you go. And yeah! Okay, come on. That was almost a victory. Okay, let's just do this and I'm gonna finish. Oh, no. Oh, whoa. What's going on here? Ah! Fatality. Okay. What? Whoa. Oh. Nailed it. Okay, guys. Hope you liked the video. Like, subscribe, and share. And, yeah, that's all I gotta say. LG Pig.